c'è una buon korma bir bölümü.
Hey guys, what is up? What is up? I hope you are doing well. I hope you're doing fantastic. DIY house and farm. I'm gonna go have a seat over here. The sun is crazy. What's up, y'all? Let's go right over here and have a seat. Okay, so I had this plan that Grandpa and I were going to create a dish together, but it looks like everyone is late. It is so hot out here and everyone's fasting right now. It's Ramadan time and they want to, take it easy. Usually people are just resting at this time. They're not really moving around and working. That's my ducks talking. Oh my gosh, I don't know what they're arguing about. Who did it? So rumor has it, Grandpa likes when I'm cooking outdoors. He really likes that a lot. But I'm still side-eyeing him. In the last video, I'm sure you guys could see that I was a little upset. That man told me that Grandpa said that I need to be out there fetching wood and fetching water and things of that nature. Now, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know what that is like here in northern Ghana, it is laborious. Everything here is just heavy. It just feels like everything is just heavier. So I have my apron on and I just want to do something creative with Grandpa. There's Justice hanging out by the clay pot. This is the coolest place to hang out right here, as you can see. We have, well, the rabbits aren't here today, but the chickens are surrounding the clay pot and Justice is cooling his belly. Do not hesitate to show your support for the channel. Become a Patreon supporter. Become a member of the channel. Show your love. Help us to get our channel out there. And I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to give it a like. Look who's back.
Yeah, I went to the ranch. What's up?
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You look like you just woke up.
I just got some sleep. I just go there and sleep small.
We've all been looking for you.
What is going? Who? You and who? You and who is looking for me?
You're real lucky I'm patient. You've been MIA. Do you think that's normal?
Like how?
I'm asking you. I mean, you like sleeping at the ranch. I mean, why have you been avoiding us?
Avoiding what? What have I done?
I went to Grandpa and I confronted him because I didn't like that y'all be plotting to get me to do things that are just so uncomfortable, and I'm not going to be fetching no water. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to go cutting wood. I don't want to do it this season.
Who?
You like my new twist?
Who tell you to tell him?
No one.
I'm just playing with you.
What? Playing with me? Baby, play entirely too much. That's not the kind of plan I understand. Why would you play like that? I've been under a lot of pressure and you went and I think you need to go tell him. My bad. Because I've been mad at him ever since. And you don't need to be putting stress on Grandpa like that. That's not healthy. It's not healthy. And you know I'm going to speak my piece about things that are making me uncomfortable. I told you that 2025, everybody going to know.
No problem.
Hala sa ya seleta. Al sebine asana ku kolle mo. Na zongo de ko en shemi. Am se kan.
Se changala bon korma bish pulma.
Pima ha ka se. Oh. Ko ba be samara la fi.
Samara fi.
Ka no ku ka.
Ai. Ya man da jam no mo.
Radio no.
Man da she man da jam no me. Din nung me ka pamo utba o mala tabkara. Utba gas.
Gas.
O mu din ko o dagban ma fe nga. Di nun ka ku yel dagban le. Di ki ku yere dagban le. Mun ta hay tu mo.
Mun ki yer ba.
So
le mala bergo je ki yer. Ito ya to akali ro. Ni mo ki tu la.
To. Utba gas me o mala tabkara o mala wo utba. O mala bu utba watba. So ku shia izire dagban ma fi la ma. Mun ku shia ma mun shin ka lira. Kana ta ka mun ki yer ma. So ban da ya shamma wala ya mi asia mina da can kaji fira ma o nan kala ta kwa ma wala kan mina ya ma ya no ko pen pila ku so ya no pen pila ku so kapile dar cabo de para yi to ashe o ba tukara ali jilon shaka ka so yar mama an bora abu haro
wala kai yar
abu haro me ama wona abu ma shamma de mala kama so ne yi yi to ashe yin yara e ko da ya ne open pila dar cabo tapil program kadarjane ka komje
anda yeshi mbezanta ama anda mashikana
ya bana
asa pasa
ani so ya ba
lankan
ani so ku ampala
to lankan ya habibu
ku ampala bana na jemno ma
mo be abinda yesa da sabo so
da jemno jaman
oh katable wa demi